Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa.
We are Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Welcome to 4963 Island View Drive on gorgeous Canandaigua Lake.
This is a waterfront dream home on 143 feet of level lakefront. So let's take a tour. Step into this Canandaigua Lake dream home with a spacious foyer and a mahogany door.
This is grand waterfront living with a stunning great room featuring a cook's kitchen with beautiful cabinetry, granite countertops, and a center island with a breakfast bar. A spacious dining area and living area with a wet bar. All with cathedral ceilings, beautiful hardwood floors, patio access, and a dramatic wall of windows with breathtaking lake views. The first floor also features a gorgeous sunroom, laundry, plus 2 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms.
This first floor master suite has it all, with a beautiful spa bathroom, and a spacious cathedral ceiling bedroom with patio access and those incredible lake views.
The upstairs features this landing overlooking the great room, leading to 4 spacious bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and an expansive bonus room.
This very private Canandaigua Lake property has 143 feet of level lakefront with a stone beach, with fantastic views of Squaw Island and Canandaigua. This premier and rare location is steps away from everything the city of Canandaigua has to offer. Canandaigua is a great place to live.
There's always something fun to do, whether it's enjoying the many restaurants and shops, a concert at CMAC, or a stroll through Kershaw Park. Water activities are a blast on Canandaigua Lake.
In all seasons, this area has a lot to offer. Here we are at Bristol Mountain. What a great place to ski, just minutes away from Canandaigua Lake. At the end of the day, life is sweet on Canandaigua Lake.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 4963 Island View Drive on gorgeous Canandaigua Lake.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!